This is Andy of QualityStocks. Today is Tuesday, December 21st, 2010, and today we're going to take a look at China Nepstar Chain Drugstore Limited. This is a New York Stock Exchange stock trading under ticker NPD. Strong resistance level established back here through July, August, September. Blew through it on high volumes, retraced back down, and sitting basically right on that resistance level as support at this point. So I'm going to take a look at these indicators and see if it's given odds it's going to try and move back up and hold this support or not. It's got bullish crosses with the MACD and PPO. Histograms popping back through zero. ADX is coming down pretty low, broke beneath 30, showing it's no longer in a strong trend. It's in a trading pattern now. All three of them together kind of puts it in a very neutral position where this can make a move either direction. MFI, we've got the 14 and 21 starting to look like they're trying to put a nice curl up north, heading towards 50. 7 coming back down to get close to them. Of course, 7 you can see could whipsaw very easily and make moves. So what we'll look for now is to come back down, get right next to them, and all three of them try and move in unison up through 50. Accumulation distribution's really going to need to hold this bottom level. We don't want to see that making new lower lows. Want to see that try and come back off this area, move higher, and eventually try and move through that level and establish an uptrend. See the shaking money flow is heading back towards zero. Buying and selling pressure is relatively equal at this point. Got the CCI holding over negative 100, which is something that you definitely look for. Want to see it break through zero and start to trade at the upper end of its mean right now. Uptrend going on with the full stow at the same time. Looks like it's going to try and break through 50. Same as through here. You want to see it trying to hold and primarily stay over top of 50. That's a bullish chart when it stays like that. In longer term, the tricks still making an uptrend. Bearish breaking back down through zero at this point. But if you take an overall, this is about a 7-month look at it. Trying to create a higher low down around negative 1. Looks like we're going to get a bullish cross. We're going to want to see that hold and continue an overall uptrend. It's just taking a very long perspective look at the tricks. So you've got the RSI trending back towards 50 as well. The gold and red, the 14 and 21 RSIs, kind of trading sideways. I want to see if they can push through 50. Again, trading over 50, bullish. See how strong the chart is, moving north. Starts by that break of 50. But all three in close proximity, that's a good sign. Now I just want to see if they're going to push their way through it. This chart can be looked at a couple of different ways from these candles. One, very good support level right there around 320. Absolutely must hold. If it doesn't, chances are pretty good it's going to hit $3. See it picks up pretty good support again down there around 295, 296. Right in through there. But for starters, want to see it hold that. That's a pretty good support level. Very strong resistance for many months. Must hold that. Want to see it break through this downtrend as well. This can be looked at as an inverted flag, which you can do reverse calculations just like you would any breakout sort of flag. That if this can't hold this level, there's chances it may come all the way down here around 250 or so, based on those sort of calculations. But at this point, because the support's so strong, I'm looking at it more to see if it's going to break through this trend line, try and make a move north. Has some resistance right there in front of it, right around 350. And again, the next resistance is going to come in up here around 375. I don't want to clutter it up with too many lines, but pay attention to if it can break through 350, break through this trend line, it probably will come up here and challenge that. And then what you'll be looking for in the longer term is making a new high, pushing $4, which you're going to want to see. 390, the 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, they're all coming into play when you get up to those levels. But what's important for NPD is try and once again reinforce this as a strong support level, try and move north from that point forward. See, the data actually just opened. 8,600 shares is all it's traded. Once this volume stays pretty consistent, we're going to want to see those levels for certain. The stronger the volume, the higher, the more buying pressure you can get on this when it breaks through it, the better chance it's going to have when it goes up here and tries to challenge this $4 area. But of course, this is holiday week. There's only 2 full trading days left, so volume could be a bit of an issue over these next few days. This is still a chart to keep on radar, even throughout the holidays, to hold these support levels and try and push north. For these reasons, an MPD is going to be on my radar, and I'm going to look for the first sign of that trend line resistance being broken. As always, this chart's merely my interpretation. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.